Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together the Melted Chrome eyeshadows by Essence. They have released 6 colors and the price for each one is €2.95. I will show you 3 different combinations with these eyeshadows and also swatches so you can see how creamy they are. Let me know in the comments if you like shimmer eyeshadows for your eye looks or you prefer maybe only matte eyeshadows. I always like to use a combination shimmer and matte eyeshadows so I can highlight my eyelid because it is smaller. Share this video with a friend that likes shimmer eyeshadows. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. For the first combination, I have used Copper Me and Ironic. For the second combination, I have used Lead Me and Steal the Look. For the third combination, I have used Zinc About You and Platinum Nights. If you apply this with a dry brush, you have a beautiful shimmer finish, but it's not completely intense, it is something more wearable. And I like that because if you don't like very shimmer intense eyeshadows, with a dry brush you can just apply a small amount. They blend very easy with a brush and you don't have fallout. If you use a setting spray on your brush, it doesn't pick up the product very easy because the formula is very creamy and it doesn't stick on the bristles. In the end, you have a very similar finish with a dry brush. With a wet brush is one of my least favorite ways to use these creamy eyeshadows. For a super intense application, you can use a sponge tip applicator or your clean fingers. With a sponge tip applicator, you can be more precise, although you need to be careful with the fallouts. Sometimes I have fallouts with this applicator. The fallouts are not very easy to be removed because the formula of the eyeshadows is very creamy and it sets immediately on the foundation. You can remove it with some Q-tips and concealer, but you will need to remove all of your foundation on the area that you have the fallouts from these eyeshadows, so be careful. You can do your eye makeup before your face makeup, or if you do your face makeup first, you can apply a light layer of powder on your under eye area so the powder will catch this creamy guy and it will not ruin your foundation. The safest way to use these eyeshadows is with clean fingers because you can press the product on your eyes and you don't have any fallout. They are very easy to apply on top of pressed eyeshadows and also very easy to blend with your fingers or with a sponge tip applicator or with a dry brush. These are very creamy and easy to blend. Eyeshadows Lead Me and Steal the Look. They are very similar on my eyes. With this, it is very easy to change your eye look and you can have them in your purse. After work, you can just apply a little bit with a clean finger on your eyelid and you can change your eye makeup very easy. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments if you are interested in these creamy eyeshadows or if you have already tested them and if you like them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!